In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make split poster in Affinity Photo. A split poster is a striking layout where a single design is divided into two clean panels, perfect for bold social posts or modern prints. We'll keep everything simple and non-destructive so you can tweak it later without starting over. Begin by opening Affinity Photo and creating or opening a document at the size you want to use. With your canvas ready, go to the left toolbar and choose the rectangle tool. Click and drag to draw your first tall rectangle. For a balanced split, make it cover about half the canvas. Then create a second rectangle right next to it so the two sit side by side. Turning on snapping helps the edges line up perfectly. You can also duplicate the first rectangle to guarantee identical size, then drag it until it snaps into place. Next, convert these shapes into frames so they can hold images. Right-click a rectangle and choose Convert to Picture Frame. Do the same for the other rectangle. Picture frames are great because they mask your image non-destructively, letting you resize and reposition without damaging the original. With the first frame selected, go to File, then Place, and choose the image you want. Click to drop it into the frame. Use the on-canvas handles to scale and drag inside the frame to reposition. Holding Shift while scaling keeps the proportions intact. Aim to place your subject or strongest lines near the center seam for maximum impact. Repeat that exact process for the second rectangle. If you want a seamless split from the same photo, place the same image into the second frame and drag until the details align across the middle. Zoom in to check the join, and use the arrow keys to nudge for pixel-perfect accuracy. You can keep the two frames flush for a tight split or leave a small gap for a clean gutter. Just make sure both rectangles remain the same size and aligned. And that's your split poster in Affinity Photo, clean, flexible, and ready to showcase your image with style.